Matterhorn bobsled. It's a small world. Okay, let's go get on the Storybook Canal boats because there's no lightning lane for that. And that line looks like it's getting to be 10 or 15 minutes. I don't think there's a lightning lane for Small World either. Also, why is my mind going blank? Toontown? Toontown.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's where Roger Rabbit is, and that's where they're building the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. With new enhancements, it's going to be a little different, right?
Yeah. Toontown is not open right now because they're refurbishing it and they're putting Mickey's and Minnie's Runaway Railway in there.
Putting a Mickey and Minnie?
Yeah, so we're going to ride this one before this line gets too long. This looks like it could be about 15 minutes. But it's only going to get longer, so we'll hop in line here. Storybook Land. This is Flora? Flora, Fauna, and Merriweather? That's Flora. Oh, Georgia's going to get to sit in the best seats. Thank you, Mandy.
Both sides of the ballot.
All right. Thank you, Lenny. Okay, I'm going to get right here. Crisscross applesauce? Don't fall in. Whoa, you're in the front. Georgia. Oh, wow.
Where you're thinking the outside, please maintain, keep your hand large, see like side people, find that peace to fight your children. We don't want our church to take any unexpected turns while on our journey.
No monster.
Here we go. Are you ready?
He really needs to brush his teeth.
We're doing it.
Now, Mama's story takes us through the jaws of a whale. Mom saw the whale there. Let's say while I'm on Pinocchio, but don't worry, folks. Mom is not going us. He's not transferring us into a wonderful and magical place called
Storybook Land. Yay, we made it to Storybook
Yeah, but
Land.
there's Arendelle. And I think that's Bellstown? Yeah,
Little
that's Bellstown.
town. It's a quiet village.
And our story,
It's
Agrabah.
Agrabah.
Where three guys named Aladdin bumped into Princess Jasmine in the marketplace. They found love beautiful.
Oh, I come from a land from a faraway
and they looked us up and followed to this day.
Wow, look, Casey Jr. train.
Casey Jr. Boop boop. Casey Jr.'s coming down.
Here in Storybook Land, there are so many love stories. Some of those love stories take us under golden twinkling archways, like the one above us. These are the same golden twinkling archways that Rhyme Jasmine flew over and under and sideways on their wonderful magical carpet ride in a whole new world. This is also the exact same spot where Rhyme and Jasmine fell in love with each other for the very first time.
A new fantastic point of view.
And when you're in flight, there is wonders like King Wonders of Venice, mysterious treasures, including famous Disneyland.
There it is.
Disneyland Santa Frio, create your free wishes, let's all make wishes come true. Thank you, Disneyland, for every time you make a wish.
It's so beautiful. You're doing a great job driving, buddy. Snow White. This is my favorite section of Disneyland.
All to continue, and we will continue these fabulous stories. They won't ever end. As long as there's imagination left in the world, these stories will go wherever they want to.
Trying to think of the steer.
And then there's the Wiggle Willow, the Mole, Rat, and Toad. We're coming up to Toad Hall.
Oh, there's Toad Hall.
I'm sorry, folks. Big Daddy's Toad is not home right now.
That's great.
He's probably up in his motor carnival. All right, no one particular.
Is this Arendelle?
Probably somewhere in Disneyland. And up on up is Arendelle, where one day Elsa left Arendelle, went to the icy palace on the mountain, but her sister Anna refused to let her go. Thanks to Anna's action to us, without for Kristoff, Olaf, and Pen, she was able to save Elsa and the King of Arendelle.
Okay, what's over here?
Ooh, it's
Ariel. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat?
When her story began under the sea, we were following
Under the sea.
Another waters, they like to to my left.
Oh, cool.
And as we
Ariel's house. I'm having best day ever. Happy check. Bing. 6 rides in an hour. Come on. Casey Jr. looks like it's just opening, so I'm going to get there before that ride gets long because it's a low capacity one. We have a lightning lane for Big Thunder. Georgia, you and me will do teacups today while Mommy tries a Matterhorn macaroon.
Yeah, I'll see.
So a lot of these rides don't have a lightning lane. Like Peter Pan, there is a lightning lane in Florida. There's not one here in Disneyland. So you really got to do your studying, study up. Looks like Casey Jr. is about to open.
I hope we don't get the monkey cage again.
I know.
It happened to us in Paris and it was a bummer.
My plan is working perfectly. It just opened. Casey Jr. You gonna get there? This is awesome. We're in the front.
Casey Jr. In a moment, he's going to take the wild animal.
Ah, yeah. Hi. Boop, boop. Circus now. Time for the lemonade and cracker jack. Casey Jr.'s back. Casey Jr.'s back. Woo-hoo. Oh, it's so pretty. Uh-oh, guys. Here comes a hill. I think I can. 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 I thought I could. Woo! I thought I could. Yes! This is like Walt's train in his backyard in Burbank. I mean, this is what Walt wanted. A train like this, like the one in Burbank. And he got it. So great. Hi guys! Hello, hello! All aboard, let's go. Woo-hoo! Oh, I love this old life preserver in case somebody falls in the water over there. Smells like churros over here. Okay, here's mobile order for Red Rose Tavern.
Breakfast selections?
We scroll up here. There is Beast Breakfast Burger on the screen here. So it's it's actual meat, like
It's just a
beef
burger with
patty
egg on it.
with bacon, orange marmalade, egg, and arugula on a toasted bun. And then there's a classic breakfast, Mickey-shaped pancake, and then a quinoa breakfast bowl.
I'd eat that.
Bree loves. Lindsay would
Quinoa,
love it.
mushrooms, cauliflower, arugula, tomato, potato bites, aka tater tots, spicy lime aioli.
And then you can get the gray stuff,
Yeah, a gray stuff gets you.
which is on a cracker. So that's
It's on
cool
a
to
cookie
see.
instead of on a cupcake.
Yeah, so that's right here across from Casey Jr. at Red Rose Tavern. Now we have a lightning lane for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and we're gonna go do it. Okay, here is the Big Thunder Trail to Frontierland. Now we're in Frontierland. Now there is a Disneyland Chimichanga here that I am crazy about. And it's like totally basic, like fried burrito with refried beans in it, but I love it. So we're gonna look for that. Yep, totally excited. Okay, there's a pretzel cart. Where's my chimichanga? The turkey leg, the chimichanga, and corn on the cob right there by the ferry boat.
There's apparently a breakfast chimichanga and a classic chimichanga.
I mean, I haven't had the breakfast one, but I want the refried beans. Okay, here's one, Lynn. Over here, Bubba. There's one for Georgia. Here's Daddy. And there's perfect.
Yay!
Excellent. Lightning style. Okay. Let's do Bradshaw line time. Set timer. And see the difference in the lightning lane. Because this looks like it could be about 40 minutes. Boop, boop. Yeah. There she is. You're going. I am loco. That's good trivia. From one train to another. Casey Jr. to I am loco. Boop, boop.
It's gonna be bumpy, okay?
It's gonna be the wildest ride in the wilderness. Here we go, down the mine. Boop, boop. Oh, it's dark. Oh, it's dark. We're going down! Woo-hoo! Oh, it's good. It's totally different than I was in Florida, right? Uh-oh. A turtle. Here we go. Rattlesnakes! Ooh, there's Star Wars! Galaxy's Edge! Uh-oh! Here we go! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh! Look out! Yeah, get out of my face! We're going up! We're going down! Whoa! Oh yeah. It's gonna blow. Oh, I love all the lift hills. Here we go! Yeah! Woohoo! Hold on! Ew. It's so good! Dinosaur! Oh, wow! Okay, I need a review from the front row. What did y'all think?
Great. It's different than Florida, so
Yeah,
it's
there
so
was
fun.
Yeah, there were rattlesnakes and a little tortoises.
A turtle.
The tortoise.
Tortoises.
I like the smoke and how it like blew up in the back.
Yeah,
I like the dynamite where the light goes like it's following the line.
Yeah, I like this one better because it's the dynamite that's in the.
Yeah.
Chimichanga time. The river excursions on the SS Mark Twain. Look at it. Gosh, it's beautiful. Look at all these healthy snacks. Slice of watermelon, pickles, spicy pickle, pineapple.
Georgia chose mango slices.
Nice.
What you got there, Dad Shaw?
Okay, they aren't serving. I wanted the lunch chimichanga with the refried beans in it, but they aren't serving yet because it's still early. It's 9:50.
What's in the breakfast chimichanga?
She said eggs and potatoes and bacon and cheese.
So is it a deep fried burrito?
I'm afraid so. Oh man, she does not smell
That is that a
like
Mexican food?
a light choice.
Or an American
I think
invention?
this is what you call Tex-Mex.
Okay.
Now look, it comes with this like basic picante sauce. It's medium and it's just okay.
So they only have the breakfast ones in the morning. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I'll come back in 2 days and try the
Yeah.
refried bean ones what I've had.
Well, this
Yeah.
one's one you haven't tried before, so that's exciting.
I mean, Mom, you got to try that.
Ripe,
It's a little
look how ripe this mango is.
George is enjoying her mangoes.
healthy snack.
Yeah.
Mommy, that has just like a little hot sauce. Do you want some more hot sauce?
No, I'm trying to start that.
Oh, it's so sweet.
I mean, that's a hearty breakfast. She heavy. Sending you to the Queen of Hearts bathrooms.
Huh.
Oh look, there's the golden horseshoe.
Sausage, potatoes, eggs, and probably cheese.
Is it sausage? She said it was bacon.
Oh, it doesn't look like bacon to me.
Yeah.
This is good. It's really, really greasy to eat.
But you know you want another
It's
bite.
not bad. It's like
Get some more sauce.
obviously delicious.
Obviously delicious.
Spicy.
Okay, Lindsay got the tagine.
Well, it comes in the mango packet.
Right.
And you put a little lime juice and a little of this on here. This is kind of a classic Mexican street food. Fruit
Is it like a-
situation. Looks like there's a little salt in it.
Yeah, but it's not spicy. It's just like, it's not hot. It's just
No,
spicy.
it's really good.
Cool. I dare Georgia to try it. Georgia.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Yeah, bite it. Brave. Proud of you. What do you think? I love how your hoodie is glowing in the morning Disneyland sunshine.
I kind of like it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Way to go, trying new things. Full review of this. This is great. I love this. I'm so glad I got a fried breakfast burrito with this La Victoria picante sauce. Yum. Okay, in true Bradshaw fashion, we froze green juices, put them in our suitcase, and have them in the hotel fridge. So now that I've eaten some delicious garbage, I will have my Ardent Scarring green juice.
Because balance.
Hashtag balance. Georgia likes the spices, right?
It's a little bit. It tastes like there's lime on there. It's tangy.
Yum. I love that Frontierlandy trash can. It's the attention to detail that I love. Okay, it's getting warmer. Georgia's gone Alice with her Disneyland Paris Alice in Wonderland hat. Very cute. Mommy, classic cool mom. In her cool mom pants.
Well, I'm not like a regular mom.
You're not like a regular. You're a Disneyland mom.
Come with my green juice.
Very good. We're healthy. Healthy as we can be at a theme park. Okay. This Lightning Lane Genie thing is great. Thank you, Family Travel. It's like Big Thunder's at 55 minutes. So that's amazing. How many rides was that? 7? Was that 7 rides or 6 rides?
7.
7 rides. Man, we've nailed it. Man, it's 10 o'clock and we did 7 rides. We're going to Haunted Mansion. We have a Lightning Lane. There's the Golden Horseshoe. Man, it's just great because like Walt Disney like sat in there and watched shows and ate, and
Wasn't the Dorito invented somewhere close to
the
here?
Casa de Fritos
Stop
was over.
everything, roasty toast.
Oh, we got a Roasty Toasty. Oh, it's a Davy Crockett Roasty Toasty.
Davy Crockett is like Frontierland.
Davy Crockett.
I'm
King
not sure.
of the
I mean,
Frontier.
this looks wooden. I don't.
He's a mustache.
Mommy, we need our obligatory thumbs up by the Roasty Toasty. Oh yeah. How many is that? 1, 2, 3. 3. Great. They're everywhere. There's a good one at Haunted Mansion also.
Oh, wait, there's a
Um,
supposed to go Haunted Mansion?
Georgia, this is the petrified tree. This is a tree that's a rock that Lillian Disney gave Disneyland by Mrs. Walt Disney in 1957. It's from the petrified forest in Colorado. It weighs 5 tons.
Oh, and this is a.
It was 200 feet tall and it was 70 million years old.
Wow.
A redwood of Sequoia. Wow.
Very cool.
Very cool. Thanks, Lillian Disney. That's like one of the coolest, most random things. Okay, babe, this is where we're gonna get corn dogs later, right here, Stage Store Cafe.
Are we going for 100% deep fried cuisine?
I'm always doing it.
I think we might
Have a
make
green
it.
juice. Look at the Oswald ears, I love it. So this is where Fantasmic is here. It's here. Isn't that cool? So they're working on that right now. And there's Splash Mountain. The sailing ship Columbia is over there. They have a good lobster roll over there, actually.
I remember that.
Yeah, and
They
then
got like chowders and bread bowls and lobster
Yeah.
rolls, right?
speaking of deep fried, you know what's over here, Georgia? Mickey Beignets. What? And the mint julep, which they only have here.
Yeah. It's not alcoholic mint julep, don't get
Yeah, it's like sort of limey,
Yeah.
jello-y.
Because, fun fact, here in Disneyland, you cannot get any alcohol unless you're at Club 33.
Yeah, I think that might be true. Now, unfortunately, Pirates just started refurbishment So it literally was open yesterday, but we just got here today. So, and then of course this is New Orleans Square, unique to Disneyland, and we're so excited. Some friends have invited us to join them for dinner at Club 33, and we 10 churros. We can't review it, but we're very excited to tell you what that's like. Thank you, special friends. Oh, roasty toasty? I think we have a roasty toasty alert. He's Haunted Mansion.
Oh, yeah, he's from this.
Okay, Mommy, I need a thumbs up.
He's only using one
Roasty toasty, bing, number 4.
hand. He's only using one hand.
He's roasting it. Okay, the train is going. Train arrives every 20 minutes. That's good to know. Oh man, what's this guy got? Steaming baked potato over here? This is the French market. Now this looks like it has a longer line than most attractions. I think so. Yeah, mint julep bar. Let's see how long the line is. We are a little early for our Haunted Mansion lightning lane, so twist my arm. We might have to get a beignet. It's there. Okay, this is the longest line of our morning is Mickey beignets and mint juleps. Who knew? And that's totally okay because we've already done so many rides in the first hour and a half. There is a mobile order there, but it's like 25 minutes from now. So I think this line will be 15 minutes. Now, I'm right here next to the door. I'm pretty sure this is the door to Club 33, and it's right here. There's a little key thing there where people hold up their card. So that's the door there. And I think it's all of these rooms up here above us. So this is where Walt would have guests and dignitaries and, you know, entertain his friends. And because he couldn't eat in a normal restaurant downstairs because everybody would want to have dinner with them and get his picture, his autograph. Even though he was a very nice guy and loved that. Cafe Orleans right here. It's where the Monte Cristo is. But look, I'm going to show you. This is all Club 33. Sometimes they have tables up here. So we are very excited to get to eat there and tell you all about it. But there is no video allowed, and that's not why we're doing it. We're just so glad that our friends have invited us. But yeah, this is all, you can sit outside up here and see Fantasmic over the wall, which is, well, it's just pretty cool. Okay, this is the Royal Street Veranda here in New Orleans Square. They have bacon cheddar jalapeno fritters, creamy clam chowder, steak gumbo, vegetarian gumbo. This looks like hush puppies. Yum. It's awesome. So it's cool. In every Disney park, there's just something different and unique to that park, which is awesome. All right, here we go. Back in New Orleans Square. These are Club 33 tables up here. The Royal Courtyard. Is that a secret entrance? Pieces of 8. The Blue Bayou restaurant, of course, is the restaurant that overlooks the lagoon for Pirates of the Caribbean. Here's the address, 31. There's 35. I love that the artists are out here drawing. There's address 35. Then coming back over here, here's the entrance. I think the Salon Nouveau is over here. There are 2 areas, but yeah, this is Club 33. Oh, there's the address up top. Very cool, Club 33. And you gotta know somebody or be somebody. And I am not somebody. But this is gonna be very cool. Okay, back to beignets. All right, here we go. Thank you. I got a bag of beignets. Okay, this mint julep looks
Really
awesomer.
pretty. Yeah, it does look more like appetizing.
It used to
than last
look
time we
like
got it.
Kool-Aid, right? Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna try to protect my shirt.
Okay, Mommy, will you do the honors of shaking the bag to make sure that the powdered sugar is all over the beignets?
I'm a professional Broadway dancer, so I can do this.
Nice. Gonna do one upside down. Tilt it.
I'm making a caterpillar.
I'm gonna try this mint julep.
Oh.
It's minty. It's like minty lemonade. It used to be neon green in a tiny cup, and it was like just lime jello.
Or maybe we just got a weird one that time.
How did you do with the straw? Okay. Oh, crazy. It's okay. Great. Let's look in here. Oh. You want to reach in first?
Yeah.
Hey, Mommy's gonna have to take a picture of this because it's gonna be cutie.
Oh, let's take a picture of the two of you.
You come on my side in the shade.
Yeah. Come, Daddy.
Come over here with me. Bring me that Mickey Beignet over there. Look at this. Wait, smile.
Look at me. There you go. Yay.
The train's here. Okay, you ready? 3, you ready to chomp? And... Oh man, it's totally hollow on the inside.
Who has the most sugar on your face? What do we think? Look at me.
I look like Marcel Marceau.
Daddy's smiling.
We look silly.
Level of deliciousness.
Mwah. Powder kiss.
Is it as good as the ones in at Port Orleans?
These are really good, but they're actually hollow. The ones in Florida were doughy in the middle.
Denser. But that I think is more accurate to a beignet.
Yeah, this has less calories for sure because it's hollow.
I think first this like the one at Port Orleans when you brought me one back.
You look
I was
beautiful,
like,
by the way.
thank you.
Okay.
I thought that it was too heavy. I was like, what's wrong with this? It was so good, but it was really dense. This feels much lighter. Like a real beignet is like a little pocket, right?
Look how hollow it is in the middle. Isn't that amazing? I'm so glad we're doing this.
It really tastes
You have a
very different.
pita. You could have a gyro in there, right?
It tastes really different.
Isn't that amazing that it's not the same as the one at Disney in Florida?
To the point of where I'm like, which one of you did it wrong? Or is there no wrong? Only different.
Yum.
I'm about to be blasphemous.
Okay.
I like the one that you brought me from Port Orleans better.
No, I think whatever you do, don't touch the table.
Georgia, which one do you like better? Oh.
You like this one better, or do you like?
I like the other one.
I like the other one too. The other one is breadier, like the middle of bread. You know, is soft. I have this all over my plate. Now I need some sugar to wash down my sugar. Man,
You
try it?
glad I didn't love that. Otherwise, I'd want another.
Is it lemonade?
we did order. Didn't we order a 6-pack at
did.
Port Orleans?
Is it lemonade?
It's a mint julep. It's sort of like that. It's not a grown-up drink. It's for kids.
It does look like a grown-up drink.
Yeah, it's like mint lemonade, right? Mintonade. Wow, now I'm ready to go see 999 Happy Haunts, aren't you? Happy check. The mint julep is really good. It would be better with the corn dog. Like, if you want a salty something with that sweet drink.
That
You don't.
would pair much better.
The beignet would pair well with like coffee,
Of
right?
course, I see the tie-in is the New Orleans Square cuisine. But yeah, beignet and coffee is the dream.
No.
And then like mint julep and corn dog. Well, you know what would be perfect?
What would be?
Sorry. Corn dog, Disneyland corn dog. Frozen Jack and Coke. Rum and Coke, rather.
Yeah, let's do that.
Is that a thing?
Our buddy Stephanie that we rode rides with the other night
She
told
put me
us
on
about the
Jack and Coke, Frozen Jack.
Frozen Jack and Coke in the back of Pixar Pier, so we gotta look for that. I mean, we got to.
That sounds great.
Okay, let's go Haunted Mansion.